it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today for a slightly different video than normal. And this is really one that is aimed at my UK followers because I have a card kit for you. It will contain everything you need to make 8 cards and a bonus item. So let me show you the cards. It is using the now gone Golden Honey paper from Celebration, and that's part of the reason I'm going to be able to do this at a relatively inexpensive price. So you get 8 cards, as I say, and a bonus item, and the cards are all assembled without the need for any stamped images, and all of the die cutting will have been done for you. So this is the first one. So it includes the ribbon, it includes the die cuts, and although this is from the paper, they will be die cut for you. You don't have to fussy cut. So that's the first one. Then there's this one, which is just a little different with some pool party. A nice bright pineapple punch thank you card. And again, we've got ribbon included. Another thank you card. All the die cutting done. And for this one, I will be putting a piece of tear and tape behind so that you don't even have to do the infills. And this one, now obviously you can add your own sentiment on the inside. They will have white sentiments, white layers on the inside, unless they're a white base. Now this one, I have used 2 Stampin' Write markers. I've used the basic black, which you can get as a standalone item, and I've used crushed curry, but any of the yellows would do well, and I've just flicked. I'll show you that in a minute. But again, all of the die cuts are included. And this one's even got inlaid with black foil. So it's glimmer paper and black foil, and then foil here. So saffron. This one is on one of the gold edged cards with the matching envelope. And again, all the die cutting and punching done. And then the bonus item is this mini curved, what do they call, we call it? Mini curvy keepsake box, that's it. And this opens up so that you can put little bits in it. It will come ready to assemble. It won't come assembled, it will come ready to assemble. So you'll get this piece of designer series paper already cut. You'll get the curvy keepsake box already cut. You'll get a full, because you have to cut it in half, die cut B. So all of this, 8 cards and your curvy keepsake box with matching envelopes. So obviously that would be the envelope there, and then you'll get white envelopes to go with these, will be £10, including postage and packing, only available in the UK and only available while stocks last. I have a limited number of these available. I have already released this to my VIP customers, and I will be sending it out in my newsletter. So if you sign up for my newsletter, you'll get to see this again with more information. To order this, and it comes in a letterbox friendly box by Royal Mail, second class, which at the moment does take a wee bit longer than normal because the Royal Mail, bless them, are having to deal with all of the issues that we've got, and extra postage because more people are posting things. So it will come all ready to go. All of the pieces will be in an envelope, so I'll have folded the card base for you. They will actually be side opening because it just works out. Actually, no, they will be side opening rather than top opening. I just like top opening personally, but yours will become side folded. And they're all the pieces that you need for each project will be in the envelope. So all you need to do is take it out, stick it together. You supply the adhesive. That's all you need to do. £10 delivered. To get yours, to get onto the reserve list, you need to email me. My email is in the information bar below and over on my website, and I will then send you an invoice and it will be on a first paid, first served. So you can't just reserve it and wait for 3 days. It will be the first people who pay who will get to have one of these packs. And as I say, limited numbers. So if you would like to take the option, please drop me an email. Thank you very much indeed for joining me. I will have more information over on my website. I won't have all the close-up photos because that kind of defeats the object of the exercise, but I will have information and some overall photos. So that will be all listed in the description bar below. So thank you very much indeed for joining me, and I look forward to receiving your emails, as I say, UK only. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!